The European Official Statistics Institute have been making a big effort over the last years to adapt themselves to the process of new technologies, setting up new data collecting channel based on web self-questionnaires. Eustat, the Basque Statistical Institute, has been working to develop apps for mobile telephones since 2017 as an additional channel. In 2018, Eustat released the first app to gather data for the Time Budget Survey to be used by citizens to fill the questionnaire. After analysing the given answers from the different channels and verifying the lack of bias of the data obtained from the apps, Eustat decided to develop a second app, this time for the demographics survey. Both the web questionnaires and the app are totally integrated, loading the answers into the same database, which is located in a computer in the cloud. This procedure lets respondents fill the questions through the web questionnaire using the computer at home or at work, pausing the questionnaire and continuing with the mobile telephone app later, for instance when commuting back home. The difference between computer and telephone hardware, depending on the size of the device, affects the way to introduce the data, keyboards or touchscreens. So the design of the software is very different for each of them. For instance, a questionnaire web page usually has a group of questions. For the app, each question normally is presented on a single page. Some information about the results of the collected data. The percentage of respondents according to the different channels. With interview by telephone was 77.61%, face-to-face 0.04%, web questionnaire 21.3%, and the app was 0.92%. With the median age of the respondents, here we can see the interview face-to-face take-up tended to be the older generation, and the app mobile telephone was the younger demographic. The average time to fill the questionnaire with the interview by telephone was the quickest at 6.08 minutes, and the app telephone was 18.45 minutes. The Official Statistics Institute have to permanently reinvent themselves in order to promote and achieve an active collaboration from our citizens. This cooperation will allow us to obtain high quality data, which will help our society to continue progressing.